Just have a look at the char marks from the grill. Looks spectacular. If you search for the best seafood restaurants in Chania, then probably you're gonna get this in the top 3. So I've got real high expectations from this place, and for some reason I know that it's gonna live up to it. So for dinner, I'm at this seafood restaurant called Maridaki. It's in the center of Chania. And for appetizers, I've ordered grilled octopus, and for mains, I've ordered grilled SEABASS. So really excited to try octopus, and let's check this restaurant out. You have many pictures like this.
Sorry?
You have pretty good pictures everywhere.
These are all from customers.
Not from customers.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Thank you.
Here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Maybe next time I come, I'll see this on the wall.
Taxi. The octopus here.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Just have a look at this octopus appetizer. Looks delicious. Just have a look at the char marks from the grill. Looks spectacular. So I'm gonna have the first bite without any lemon. It's grilled really nicely. The texture is perfect. And the olive oil dressing on the top. Perfect. Perfect. That's the only word that's coming to my mind right now. Perfect. I don't know why. I love the texture of octopus. Have a look at the shine. It's like grilled to perfection. The octopus juices mixed with the olive oil has taken this dish to a whole new level. For an appetizer, the portion size is great. Now it's time to try the slightly gelatinous part. Lovely. It's slightly sweet. Oh, that has to be the best part of the octopus. Awesome. This looks like a perfectly cooked grilled sea bass. So they butterflied the fish and cooked it over fire. And again, seasoning wise, it looks like they just have some salt and some olive oil. First taste of CRETAN sea bass. Melts in your mouth like butter. Couldn't have asked for a better main course for dinner. This is a panna cotta on the house. It's a wonderful restaurant. No doubt about that. So it was a great day for me in the city of Chania today as a foodie because I ate everything that I wanted to in this island. So first of all, in the morning I had some bugatsa. Followed by that, I went back to my hotel and had some coffee, and then I had the most delicious gyro. Followed by that, at the municipal market of the city, I had some delicious fried cod with garlic dip and a great boiled salad with olive oil. And for dinner, I had this spectacular grilled octopus and grilled SEABASS. And not to mention the panna cotta was on the house. I've got a big day planned tomorrow starting really early at 8 a.m. So I'm gonna hit the bed a little early tonight. So if you've liked this video, then do give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Cheers, peace out.